a global supply chain perspective, I am responsible for the home care and personal care global supply chains. So that means anything that involves a global sourcing or has a global impact, meaning it's impacting multiple divisions, that's where I really get involved. Some of the things that we do are global sourcing arrangements between two divisions. So an example of this would be a new product launch, for example, would be personal care. So it'd be like bar soaps. So it's a new bar soap that we want to launch in Latin America, but it's going to be produced in Asia. So that's where my team comes involved, and we actually help to manage that sourcing arrangement. I would say probably the things that make me the most excited is when I'm working with my team to really solve a global supply chain problem. It's really refreshing when we can get involved in those types of problems because you can really see the link between our work and the goals and the success of the company.